To fix a Nest camera not showing history, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure your router is working properly and your camera is connected to the same network as your device. A stable internet connection is necessary for the Nest camera to upload and store video footage. Next, verify that your Nest camera is properly configured and connected to your Nest account. Check the Nest app to ensure that your camera is listed and that you have granted the necessary permissions. If you are still experiencing issues, try restarting your Nest camera by unplugging it, waiting for 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. It is also essential to check the subscription status of your Nest Aware plan. If your subscription has expired or is inactive, you will not be able to access your camera's history. Log into your Nest account and verify that your subscription is active and up to date. Another potential cause of the issue is a software glitch. Check the Nest app for any available updates and install the latest version. Additionally, ensure that your device's operating system is compatible with the Nest app. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try resetting your Nest camera to its factory settings. This will erase all your camera's settings, so be sure to back up any important data before doing so. To reset your camera, go to the Nest app, select your camera, and choose the reset option. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, contact Nest support for further assistance. They will be able to provide you with more detailed troubleshooting steps and help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Nest camera not showing history and access your camera's footage.